Hello kids, praying for your good health and happiness. We all are living in different places or localities, either in villages or in towns. When we are looking around, we can observe a lot of things. Things or objects like trees, buildings, playgrounds, markets, rivers, mountains, parks, roads, schools, waterfalls, and so on can be found in our surroundings. Let me welcome you all to the first lesson of our geography in 7th Standard. And this chapter starts with a definition to environment. That is, the surroundings or condition in which any kind of living organism live is called environment. The people, place, things or the nature itself is a part of environment, and it is a combination of natural or man-made activities. Natural environment refers to the biotic and abiotic conditions. Biotic stands for every type of living organisms like animals or plants, and abiotic stands for a world of non-living things like land or rock, etc. Human environment refers here to the activities or creations or interactions of human with his nature. Let us discuss human environment first. We know that human environment refers to the creations of human or the activities like political or economic or religious, etc. Human is able to interact with the nature or the environment, and we are able to modify the surroundings according to our needs. In olden time, we know that people were adapted to their immediate nature without any modification. Their needs were limited and they were able to fulfill their requirements without making any disturbances on the nature around them. As time passes, we learn new methods to use and change the nature according to our increasing needs or increasing habitat. As time passes, we learn new methods to use and change the nature according to our increasing needs. We cultivated, we domesticated, we constructed homes and started settled life. Later, as technology improved, we invented lots of machineries for making our life more comfortable. We started to use wheels, cultivated varieties of crops, which led to selling and buying goods later. A kind of trade was prevailed during those times, and it was called barter system, which means they exchanged goods instead of another good without using no money. So such another kind of trading or buying and selling also was existed in olden period, that was known as barter system. Later, industrial revolution took place, by which it replaced the production system. That is, handmade goods were changed into machine-made goods. By the industrial revolution, large number of new machineries were invented. So, instead of making goods by hand, it was made by machineries. So, large amount of new products were made in a short period of time. With the invention of wheels, transportation became faster, and at present, due to the development in science and technology, communication across the world is easier and faster. So children, when human environment started to develop speedy, we will be having a tendency to modify or to utilize the nature to satisfy lots of our needs. This will lead to global or environmental issues in future. So, we human must learn to keep a balance between our needs and requirements and the immediate nature, because nature is the most important supporting factor for human life or any other type of living beings. Dear children, have you heard about any important day for environment to celebrate? Yes, June 5th is Environment Day. By celebrating this day, we are creating an awareness in general about the need to protect and to support the environment as it is essential for human development. So kids, we have discussed about environment and its components, then focusing on human environment mainly. Let us wind up now and we'll continue the remaining portions in the next class. So keep updated and study well. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.